Second term activity. Your second term activity you have on all of you have textbook with you.
Yes, ma'am, we have textbook.
Okay. So go to page number 48. Go to page number 48, all of you.
Okay, ma'am, got it.
48.
Ma'am, got it.
Ma'am, got it.
Okay, page number 48, you have a table 6.1. 6.1.
Yes, ma'am.
So in this, they are making it to mark whether it can be reversed or irreversed. Anyway, we are not come to that table. Okay. We did not start studying about reverse. Last class, what did we study?
Ma'am, we finished chemical and physical change.
Chemical and physical changes. So here, instead of can be reversed, I want you to do it to identify physical and chemical change. So can you cut that can be reversed over there?
Okay, ma'am.
So there you have to write what I'm going to show. So where can be reversed. So instead of can be reversed, you can write physical. 1 minute.
So we have to cut can be revised.
Physical and chemical. You have to identify physical and chemical change. Okay. So for one example, Tanya, raw egg to boiled egg. Raw egg to boiled egg. Is it physical or chemical? So you have to write there C. Okay. No need of writing full. You can write C. Okay.
Ma'am.
Shreya, batter to idli. Batter to idli, not butter to idli, batter to idli. What's that? Physical or chemical? Batter to idli.
Physical change, ma'am.
Yes. So there you will write P. Got it?
Excuse
So
me,
like
ma'am.
that, yes.
Ma'am, raw egg to boiled egg. When we change into boiled egg, also it's egg, right? So
It's a chemical because raw egg to boiled egg means it is totally taste changes, everything changes. That's why. Okay.
yes,
Raw egg taste is something, but when you have the boiled egg, the taste is totally something. Okay. So that is what. Of course, if you say, ma'am, it became a round, but what is actually happening? The raw egg is turning into a new substance, that is boiled egg. Is boiled egg and raw egg are the same substance? Are the same substance? Egg is coming from one chicken only, but is it boiled egg and raw egg have the same taste, same texture? No. It is chemical change. Okay, it's a new substance. Correct?
Yes,
Raw egg, you can keep it under the chick. It will under the hen. You will get the chick. Can you keep the same boiled egg under the hen and you will get the new chick?
No, ma'am.
Now understood what is
Ma'am,
the
what
meaning of
about batter
chemical
to
change.
idli?
Batter to idli, what is happening? What is the taste of the batter? What is the taste of idli?
Ma'am, but the temperature is changing and it forms a solid.
It forms a solid, but still after hotness lost, what happened? Is the same taste of the batter and idli same? What is the taste of the batter? Have you ever tasted the batter? Yes.
Ma'am, I hate idli.
Yes, some will taste the batter, because if you are making idli, your mother will put the salt into it. So she will just take one pinch and see whether the salt is correct. So the same taste of the urid dal and this thing will get in the case of idli. Correct?
yes, ma'am.
So what is the one more thing means in future we will be studying, there are some changes which can be both physical and chemical. That is, there is also will be a chemical change as well as also will be a physical change. Okay, so when you put batter into batter to make idli, Of course, you are steaming the batter. So naturally, before becoming idli, it has a temperature change. So in that case, we can consider as a chemical. But after cooking idli, it will cool down. So you will get the same taste of batter. So that is why urdu taste you will get, rice taste you will get. So in that case, it can be a physical change. Okay. So batter to idli is actually, we have to look at the outcome. It is the outcome. Okay. So sometimes you are learn, ma'am, batter idli, two things. Batter is in liquid form, idli is in solid form. So you are going to learn change in state also can be a physical and also can be a chemical. So that is the last portion of this chapter. So we are not reached there. Okay. So while we reach, we will understand better. At present, you can write it is a physical change. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Okay,
Ma'am,
now
I
I am
missed
going
the
to ask you to Agnay. Agnay, what do you mean? What are the properties of physical change?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, when is the submission date?
Physical change does not
Next
produce
class
a
you can do class. It is not something difficult. No, you can write it in the textbook itself. Okay, I don't want in another paper. You can put CP like that on that. Clear? Yes.
Ma'am, so we should do it in the textbook?
Yes. So you can show me while
Okay,
in the
ma'am.
next class. Okay. Fine.
Ma'am, physical change does not produce a new substance.
Okay, Agnay, I asked you question. What are the properties of a physical change?
The changes take place in terms of shape, size, color, height.
Yes, height, length. Correct. So what is the properties of physical change? There can be a change in height, shape, size, or length. That is physical change. Okay. Racine, can you give me an example of a physical change?
Yes, ma'am.
Something new.
Melting ice.
Melting of ice. Okay. Amna Fatima, can you give me an example of a physical change? Sorry.
Ma'am, physical change?
Yeah, physical change, Amna. So many changes around you.
I can answer just 1 minute.
Okay.
Ma'am, salt water.
Salt, water, that is not a physical change, my dear.
Not that, ma'am. 1 second.
1 second, you think, no problem.
Ma'am, wet clothes and dry clothes.
Wet cloth and dry cloth. Wet cloth and, no, it's not a physical change. Okay. That's a chemical because wetness. Something else. Something else. How can you make a physical change in a chalk piece? Amna?
By breaking it.
By breaking. So breaking a chalk piece is a physical change. Okay. But chalk pieces still remain the same. Clear?
Ma'am,
Okay.
what about erasing a rubber and making it dust?
Erasing a rubber.
Dust.
Erasing the letters?
No, ma'am. If I have an eraser and I use it to erase some pencil marks.
Pencil marks. So what is going? It is a
some eraser dust, right? Is it a physical change?
When you erase it, it is a chemical change because you are removing that entire writings. Correct? So it is a chemical.
Not that.
After erasing about that small pieces after rubbing it.
Richard, one person. Richard, tell me, what are you saying?
Amna is telling that after erasing, the eraser become little bit small.
Eraser is having a physical change, but on the paper, you are seeing a chemical change. Did you get that? Okay.
the eraser?
Pardon?
Because it involves the eraser, it will
Yeah.
be chemical change.
Yes. Because after erasing it, what will happen? Will that letters will remain forever over there? No, it will go. And the letters will be turned into small dust of the pencil mark. But eraser, after rubbing, what happened? Some part of the eraser lost. So that means its shape changed. Okay. So eraser is experiencing physical change, but the paper, that letters experiencing the chemical change. Okay. But the paper has any problem with it?
No, ma'am.
Paper remains still the paper. Okay. Fine. Yes. Now, Rasil, what do you mean by chemical change, Rasil?
Yes, ma'am. Chemical change does not produce a new substance.
Chemical change?
Produce a new substance.
Yeah, chemical change produce a new substance. Okay. Neha, Sharad, can you give an example for a chemical change? Can you unmute? Don't know how to unmute your video.
Ma'am, to whom are you asking, ma'am?
Neha Sarath. She is telling, but she's not unmuted her.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, shall I ask it another person? Okay, Ambrose, can you give an example for a chemical change?
Yes, ma'am. Wet cloth to dry cloth.
Pardon?
Wet cloth
Wet
to dry
cloth to
cloth.
dry cloth. Okay, Pavitra, another example of a chemical change.
Ma'am, turning milk into curd.
Oh, turning milk into curd. Okay. Children, did we study other type of changes such as slow, fast? Do we?
Excuse me, ma'am. No, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, and who is us? Yes, Angelina.
Ma'am, some like substances like wool, cotton, and all. If they like make clothes, if we use to make it clothes, is it a physical change or chemical change?
It's a chemical change. It's a totally chemical change because we are getting the cloth. We are getting the cloth is after putting the lot of chemical things, putting the color, design. So totally it is different.
Yes,
Sri Shankar, you are asking something?
Ma'am, then one more, ma'am.
Uh,
Ma'am, rice grain to rice flour. We have it a chemical change.
It's a chemical change, totally chemical change because grains is totally changing into powder. The taste of the rice and the rice flour is not the same. Okay, Sri Shankar, what are you saying?
Ma'am, sugar to sugar candy is a chemical change, right?
Sugar into sugar candy is a chemical change. Okay, totally it is a chemical change. Okay, children, now we are moving on to this both physical and chemical changes can be divided again into other three categories. So that is what we are moving on to. So you can take the textbook, all of you, sorry, notebook, all of you, and you can write first what I'm writing on the board, and then we will learn one by one. So you can write both.
Notebook or lecture note?
Yeah, you have only lecture note. No, there are two notebooks for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? I said only one notebook and then other is ruled sheets. Okay. Lecture note and classroom both are same. Ruled sheets is where you write the printed answers. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. What's the heading for this?
You can continue with it. Okay. So continue with it. Page number, I mean to say, sorry, the date you put, then you can write this. Both physical and chemical changes. Both physical and chemical changes are further divided into number one, slow and fast changes. Slow and fast changes. Second, periodic and non-periodic changes. And third one, reversible and irreversible. Okay, both physical and chemical changes are further divided into first slow, divided into 3. If you want, you can continue with it. Divided into 3. Slow and fast changes, periodic and non-periodic changes, reversible and irreversible changes. That means there will be slow physical change and slow chemical change. We also have a fast physical change and fast chemical change. So that is why both of them can be both slow and fast. Similarly, periodic and non-periodic.
And ma'am.
And reversible and irreversible. Some of the physical changes may not be reversible. Some of the chemical changes can be reversible. Okay, so like that.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of periodic and non-periodic changes?
Periodic, non-periodic means the time they take to change into new substance, or the time they take into for a change.
So slow and fast also is the same.
It's like slow means how much, slow means how long time. Periodic means the same change will be repeating after a particular time. Okay, so anyway, we will learn slow and fast changes. Later, we will learn periodic and non-periodic. So I am not going to define what is periodic and non-periodic and all now. We will first discuss about slow and fast changes. Have you completed? Yes. Okay. So next, you can write slow changes first. Heading slow changes. So it's very simple. From the diagram, it's from the slide itself, you come to know. What do you mean by slow physical change?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you show that slide and bring like white?
So a baby is growing into a boy or a girl, a man or a woman. This is a slow physical change.
Yes,
A baby plant growing into a tree.
Yes, it is a slow physical change. Okay, children. So now we are moving to first slow changes.
Ma'am,
I'm a baby.
ma'am, what kind of changes when a caterpillar turns into a butterfly?
That is also slow change. Nearly 1 week it will take a caterpillar turn into butterfly. It is just like equal to a baby is growing into a man. Changes.
When a kitten is going into
The definition of slow changes which will happen slowly or or in long time, because it will take a more time for it.
ma'am, so that can be chemical or physical, right? You are just
It
saying
can be both. Yes, it can be both physical and chemical. We will discuss which are the slow physical.
Ma'am, you are just defining the.
So this is the definition of slow changes which will happen slowly or in long time. So that is known as slow changes. Example, you can write, okay, first a baby's growth. Then give me another example, can be both physical and chemical.
Drying of a cloth. Drying of a wet cloth.
I'm a kitten to cat.
That is
getting rusty.
Ma'am, drying of a
yes. Drying of clothes. Drying of wet clothes. Anandesh, give another example.
I have a doubt.
Who is having doubt?
Anandesh.
Tell me, Anandesh, what's your doubt?
A caterpillar changes into butterfly. Is it a physical change or chemical change?
It's a physical change, no? So it is just like a baby is growing into a man, correct? Same thing.
Excuse me, I have an example. I don't know is it correct or not. I'm making brick to house. We take a long brick.
Yeah, making brick is a long chemical change. It is evaporation of sea water. Evaporation of sea water. It's a chemical or physical? Evaporation of sea water.
Physical.
Evaporation of sea water.
Chemical change.
Ma'am,
It
drying
is
of
chemical
wet
because
clothes
the
is slow change.
drying of wet clothes. Is it physical slow change or chemical slow change?
Chemical slow change.
It is a chemical
Ma'am,
slow
is
change.
it a slow change?
Which one?
Ma'am, drying of wet clothes, is it slow change?
It's a slow change in normally. Okay.
Okay.
I am not speaking about washing machine. Okay. I'm talking about thing. Why there's one into on my this thing. I don't know why it is.
Ma'am, in the reactions you have put that no.
In
That,
reactions, you
You can
ma'am,
click
can
on
you
no
please
itself.
click on reactions down?
Reaction.
reactions.
I have example.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Reaction bottom.
Reactions.
Click on reaction and click no in the
You go.
Reaction. Then click on no.
No reaction where one tick is there, 1 into is there.
Into
That into.
Ma'am, click that
click that into. Click
Ma'am,
that
it
into.
Gone?
Go.
Ma'am, it went. Yes.
Okay. What Richard, you are saying something?
Ma'am, can you say the board?
Okay, Cheryl, what are you saying? Say.
Ma'am, can you say the board?
Okay. Any more? So many slow changes around you. Growth of a tree, evaporation of sea water.
Ma'am, changes of milk to curd or
It will getting rusty.
Rusting of iron. Rusting of metals or rusting actually taking place in iron. So
And
rusting means Malayalam we will call turumbu. So actually rusting is only for iron. Okay. So that process is not. Okay. Now I just ask okay, Tanya, just put your hands down. Shall I ask you to another people over there? Yes. Brightlin. Tell me, cutting off a stick or cutting off a long wood, which is slow change, which is the fast change in this?
Cutting of a long wood is a slow change, and cutting of small wood is a fast change.
Yes, so both are same physical change, cutting the wood. But which will take more time, cutting of a wood piece. And which will take slow change, cutting of a small stick. Okay, so that is what I'm telling you. Okay, fine. Another question I'm going to ask Adil Shafiq. Shafiq, can you hear me? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Tell me, frying an egg or boiling egg? Which is slow change in this? Frying an egg or boiling egg? Which is the slow change is in this?
Boiling an egg.
Yes. So boiling an egg. Okay. It is a slow change. Shall we? Both are physical or chemical? Frying of egg is chemical or physical? Chemical. Boiling egg is a chemical?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Both are chemical, but the time they take to change, that is different. So that is what it determines, which is the slow changes. So changes can be same. A baby is growing into a boy, same baby growing into a man. Tell me, which is the slow change or which is the fast change?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, both
To man
And maybe growing to.
ma'am, we didn't hear
fast
the
change is
sentence that
growing
is
to a boy.
Yeah, a baby is growing to a boy or baby is growing into a man. In this, which is the slow change?
a man.
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 See,
Man, can you share the screen?
Ma'am, rusting of iron is a physical change.
which one?
Rusting of iron.
Rusting of iron is a physical change? Irumbu turumbavu, that is Malayalam. Is it a
Mining
chemical?
gold is
It is a totally a chemical change because you are getting a new substance. Okay, Tanya, you mute it now. Okay, in between you are talking to me. Okay, anyway.
mining gold.
See, Shankar, mute it.
Man,
Fine.
can you share the board?
So you can write more example like that. Okay, more example. You can rusting of iron. Those who want, you can write boiling egg. Okay. Then you can write so many chemical change is burning of wood and burning of pepper, which is a slow change in this.
paper.
Paper. Sorry, wood.
Paper is the slow change.
Wood is taking
No,
time.
no, no, wood.
Yes.
That is the fastest.
Yes.
Burning of wood.
Burning of wood. Okay, I hope you understood. I am writing only this much. You can write so many. At its minimum, you can have a 5 changes in order to understand flow changes. So I'm going to rub it. Yes.
Ma'am, now also I didn't understand the difference between them, ma'am. Because
Between-
rusting of iron is after rusting also it's iron, right? No.
But no. After that, the rusting of iron actually is a chemical reaction which takes place between iron and the air and the water. Actually.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
That's why. So because of that chemical reaction only, so all the chemical changes is due to chemical reaction. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All chemical changes are due to chemical reaction. Frying of egg, it is a chemical reaction between heat and the raw egg. Boiling egg, it is a chemical reaction due to water and the raw egg. You put raw egg into the water and you started heating. So because of the heating, what will happen? With the help of the water, the egg starts boiling. Can we boil the egg without water?
No, ma'am.
No. But breaking the egg, is it physical or chemical?
Physical change.
Physical, because before breaking and after breaking, the raw egg remains the same. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
It does not change its taste, nothing. It does not change its texture. But when you fry the egg is totally having
Different.
a different makeover. Correct? Okay.
Ma'am, and also charging a phone. It has a charge, and if you are charging,
Which one?
if you are charging a phone, that's also a physical change. Charging a phone.
That is totally chemical change. Okay, charging of the phone and all. Discharging, charging, discharging. It is also a chemical change. That is related to electricity. Okay. Now next is fast changes. You only have to change the last sentence. Changes which will happen faster, or in short time. Any of the chemical change, it is a fast, any of the chemical change or physical change, if it is taking place within short time or faster, that is known as fast changes. It can be fast physical change or fast chemical change. Okay. For example, we are moving on to egg, frying egg. It is a fast change, but it is a chemical. Then burning pepper. Burning a pepper.
That's also a fast change.
It's a fast chemical change. Okay.
Making a tea is fast. Making a tea.
Making tea. Yes, making tea is a fast change. Depend upon the quantity. Okay.
Breaking wood, small wood.
But it depend upon the quantity. How much quantity you take. Okay. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Killing
Breaking
ant.
of wood stick.
Yeah. Cutting a wood stick.
Small.
Eating food, ma'am.
Ma'am, somebody
Yes?
told killing an ant. Somebody told killing an ant.
Who is that criminal?
Anandar, I think so.
So many positive changes around you. You are talking about killing the ant, huh? Killing the ant, killing the mosquitoes, all this, huh? Why? Who is that person? Huh?
Ma'am,
What?
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, if the ink fall on water, it will change its color.
Ink fall on water changes color depend upon the how much water you use. Correct?
Eating
Ma'am, fast. That's also a fast change.
Yeah, fast change. Okay. Now
Ma'am,
I am
eating
going
wood
to ask
stick,
you mixing salt in mixing sugar in hot water, mixing sugar in cold water. Which is the fast change in this?
Hot water.
Water.
Sugar in hot water.
Hot water, mixing sugar. Okay. Dissolving sugar in hot water. It is a fast
Fast
chemical
chemical
change.
change.
Yes. Now, another one, tearing the frock.
Yes, ma'am.
Or cutting the frock with the scissors, which is the fast change.
Cutting the cutting
Cutting the frog.
Frock
Cutting
with what?
scissors.
Scissors. More than tearing, we can easily cut the frock with the scissors.
Scissors.
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, for tearing the frock, you need to take a lot of pencil and take some time.
Which one?
Ma'am, tearing clothes, no, ma'am, you should take a lot of energy to tear it.
That's what I told. That's what I told. Cutting the frock with the scissors or tearing the frock. So cutting the frock with the scissors
Ma'am, for
is
the
a
frock,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
can we write that in
material
Tamil?
will be very
that is a matter, but generally I am speaking. Material is different. Okay, polyester, it is difficult. It is very much difficult to tear a polyester than the cotton. Cotton you can tear it very
but we
fast.
have linings.
Cutting a frock, is it a physical or chemical?
Ma'am, is
Okay.
eating fast change?
Okay, eating. Okay, I'll tell you. Chewing the food or digesting the food, which is the fast and which is
Chewing.
chewing the food is a fast. What change?
Food is slower.
Fast.
What change? It is physical or chemical? The food. Chewing the food is a physical, but digesting the food is a chemical.
Ma'am, so I have one doubt, ma'am.
Okay, can you now everyone? Yes, everyone speaking, so very difficult to manage. Okay, Shreya, you speak.
If we are chewing the food, it will become to a paste, and that will form a new substance, right?
Which one?
Chewing the food, it will become.
But chewing the food, still the taste, everything did not change. No, Shreya, you are only making into pieces, correct? You take a chocolate, you are chewing it. Only you are nicely, yummy. You eat nicely. But after that, you go to the when you go to the stomach, do you think it will digest fast? That's why no. That's why we are keeping a time between breakfast and lunch. Okay. So if you have the breakfast till lunch, there is a 3 hours minimum. Then only we can digest. And by lunch time, you feel hungry. Then only you can eat it. Okay.
I'm
Okay. I
cutting a
think
frock
children,
with
it's
scissors.
time up. Yes. So I think everyone knows.
I'm cutting a frock with scissors. Is it a physical change?
But yes, it's a physical change.
Ma'am, what about cutting a wood stick?
It is also a physical change. Okay, because the stick has no change in his texture, in his in its properties. Okay.
Destroying stuff is fast change.
Okay, we'll discuss. Almost it is time up, children. Another
Attendance?
teacher. Yes, attendance. Okay, how many are there? Angelina, Agnay, Apna, Adil.
Ma'am, Rudra will be absent because of she told me that she's having a meeting.
Okay, thank you. What is Sheena Biju? Whose mother's name? Sheena. What profile is Sheena?
Don't know, ma'am.
No, there's a profile with Sheena Biju. I'm asking whose mother it is. Another class. Okay. Okay, children, thank you. I know who is present now. Bye, till meet.